Buying your first home can feel like the most complicated thing you've ever attempted. There are mortgage advisors, solicitors, surveyors, estate agents, and about 1,000 things people tell you to do, usually without explaining why or in what order. But here's the truth. The process follows a clear sequence of steps, and once you understand them, it stops feeling overwhelming and starts feeling manageable. This video is your complete map, 12 steps, from the very beginning right through to picking up the keys. Let's get into it. Step 1. Work out what you can actually afford. Before you even look at a property listing, you need to understand your numbers. That means two things. How much can you borrow, and how much will the whole thing cost? For borrowing, most lenders will offer between 4 and 4.5 times your annual income, though this varies. So if you earn $40,000, you might be looking at a mortgage of somewhere between $160,000 and $180,000. If you're buying with a partner, your combined income is used. Remember to budget for all the buying costs on top of the purchase price. Stamp duty, solicitor fees, survey, moving costs. We'll cover these in detail in our video on the true cost of moving. Step 2. Save your deposit. You'll typically need a minimum of 5% of the purchase price as a deposit, though 10% will give you access to better mortgage rates. On a $250,000 property, that's $12,500 at 5% or $25,000 at 10%. If you're saving, a lifetime ISA or LISA is worth looking at. The government adds a 25% bonus on savings of up to $4,000 per year, which is a free $1,000 annually towards your deposit. You can use it from the age of 18 and must use it before 50. Step 3. Get a mortgage in principle. Before you make a single viewing appointment, get a mortgage in principle, also called an agreement in principle or AIP. This is a conditional statement from a lender saying they'd be prepared to lend you a certain amount based on a soft credit check. Estate agents take you more seriously when you have one, and you'll know your budget clearly before you fall in love with something out of reach.